guys, today we're gonna be doing another Nerf gun challenge with the cups right there, like you can see over there. And that's what. What? Who's that? So that's what we're gonna be doing, the cup challenge, the Nerf gun cup challenge. So let's do this. Let's do this. Now, do you wanna? What Nerf gun you wanna choose?
Ooh, look! Yeah, I found these ones.
Ooh.
I found this Nerf gun.
I'm gonna use this one. This is so cool.
Yeah?
So I'm gonna be using the Nerf Rough Cut. Oh yeah. How about you, Eliana?
Let me get out here.
This one?
Yeah, I want to pick that one.
Oh, okay.
What?
Okay, so I'm gonna pick the Nerf Strike again.
Put the egg down here to the race car.
Oh, okay. So, ooh, we don't need the race car. Put it here.
Yeah?
Okay. So we have these cups here, and then we have the 5-point cup here, and that's what we're gonna do, okay? So all of the red cups are 1 point, and that is a 5-point, but you have to stay. Where's the line? Oh, we're gonna use a baseball bat.
The baseball?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to stand behind this line,
Damn, look.
and then
It's rolling.
it's rolling. Yeah, you have to stand behind this line, and then you can shoot it, and then if it falls over, then you get 5 points, right? Same with these cups. If it falls over, you get 5 points.
Yeah?
But you have to stay behind the line to do this, behind the line to do that. Okay?
Okay.
So, Elena, let's do this. Elena, who goes first, me or you?
Me.
Okay, you go first. Get your strike. Yeah. So Eliana, you have 30 seconds, okay? Okay, so now we're starting. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's so hard.
Here, I'll help you.
Okay.
No, you hold it, hold the gun. Hold it. Press it. Oh!
Yes!
Okay, now go. You have to shoot this cup.
Oh yeah.
Go.
This cup.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I missed.
Huh?
I missed.
Is there any bullets?
No, it's nothing.
No, there's one more. Hey, Eliana, you're cheating. No! You're cheating.
No. I just want cheating.
Oh, fine, you don't cheating. Okay, Eliana, it's my turn.
Okay, look, it's a hat.
Let's do this.
Yeah, it's a hat.
Hey guys, so it's my turn, and I'm gonna go get the stuff, and I'm gonna go get ready.
Okay.
Okay, so now 3,
2, 1, go! Two more, Daniel, 2 more. Good. Daniel, I dropped it. I dropped it. Daniel, I dropped it.
yeah, I got it. Oh shit! What? Eliana, you landed it.
I landed.
What? You hit it off and then you landed. Whoa, so cool, right?
Yes, so cool. It's landed.
Okay, so
So
let's see
awesome.
our points, okay? Let's
Yeah.
do this. So guys, it looks like
I'm
that.
the winner.
No, I am. Eliana,
No, I
how
am.
many do you get? You got 9, right?
No, go 10.
Yeah, and you're not in the video. And I got 15. 15 is bigger than 10, so I still win. I win.
No, I win.
I win, Eliana.
No, I win.
No,
I win.
no, I actually won. 15 is bigger than 10.
No, not that in bigger than 10.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
So I get the extra prize, guys. I'm so excited.
It's no use.
Oh yeah, I got the point. Okay, Eliana.
Mm.
So since I won it, then I get to open it. Okay?
It's my surprise.
Fine, I'll let you open it. Okay? Okay. And then look at the camera. Your face is up there.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, see? You can see. Okay. So you want the blue one?
Yeah, I want the
Okay.
blue one.
Open it.
Ah! I want to see the ball here.
No. What? Eliana got nothing.
It's nothing.
Okay, it's my turn. I get the pink one. What? It's nothing. Eliana, did you open them, all of them?
No.
What? And there's only one half. What?
What happened?
That was an extra prize.
I don't know.
Well then, we'll try to find the person who stole extra prize.
The
Next
bad
time.
guy,
Yeah, a
stole
bad
it.
guy stole our extra prize, so we're gonna try to find him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
Let's
have a
do
big-
this.
They have a big idea.
What?
And there's a controller into the superheroes.
Transform into the superheroes?
Yeah.
Well, bye guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye kids.
Bye, kids. See you next time for holiday. Don't forget for this.
And please subscribe and like this video and bye.
Please subscribe for
I just said that. Bye.
Bye. Please subscribe for learning fun. Bye, kids.